Hi, this is Joe from Softeky. Today I'll be fixing HTTP error 500 on our client's website. As you can see here, he's saying this page isn't working. He's currently unable to handle this request, HTTP error 500. What is HTTP error 500? This is a server handling response indicating that the server encountered an unexpected condition that has prevented it from displaying the requested web page to the browser. As a result, users are unable to access your website, or they are finding it difficult to access your website. What are the possible causes of this error 500? This can be caused by many factors, one of which can be a broken htaccess, or it can be as a result of broken WordPress core files. It can also be as a result of file permission issue. It can be as a result of third-party plugins and theme. It can also be as a result of PHP memory limit, or it can be a browse cache issue and many other issues. But we'll just limit it to these few ones that I've listed, and we'll go straight to how we can fix it. You may be also asking, okay, how does this affect my website or my business? You see, users are unable to access your website with ease, which affects their user experience and discourage them from engaging with your brand. It could also have a negative impact on your Google ranking. Google cannot crawl a website that is not accessible, or this error will reduce the number of crawled pages on your website. Now let's dive into how we can fix this issue. Okay, we'll first of all try using this solution. First, we'll try to modify our PHP memory limit. Okay, you will go to your C panel, then you scroll down to your file manager, click on the file manager to take you here, and click on public HTML. Okay, when you click on it, it will open. Then you scroll down, go to wp-config.php, which is this one here. Okay, right click on it, click on the edit, and you see it open here. So I will first of all put a comment, memory limit. Okay, then I will paste the code here. Okay, as you can see, I will save it. Let's test if it will work. I refresh the browser and see if it will work. Oh, fantastic, it solved the problem. So it's the PHP limit that is the issue. So we have fixed it. If you want me to do other videos on other solutions, just comment below and I will do more videos on this same HTTP error 500. Thanks. Have a blessed day.